Filmmaking is self-revelation. The idea to understand oneself much better, more creative, more imaginative could be really achieved through good filmmaking. So we have a unique program from Wordint Films Experience. We call it as Wife. The name of the program is going to be You, which means your originality unleashed. So what we do with this, what is so unique about this? This is more a self-betterment program. I've programmed this because in such a way to understand yourself through the art of filmmaking. So basically filmmaking is divided into three parts, if you know that. It's pre-production, where you do the scripting, you get the dialogues in, you put the screenplay in, you put all those things so that it's ready to go out to shoot, which is the production. And then of course you have the post-production. Production is full of the shoot, where you bring in the camera, you bring in the characters, the actors, get what the script demands perfectly, frame by frame. And then we move into post-production, where we beautify it much more better, what is needed, what is not needed, cutting, sticking things together, the putting in the right aspects like your VFX, it really helps. So we use these tools, we help you understand things better. So why do we do this is because we want you to realize yourself much better through this art. That's why we do. So how we program this? We program this over weekends. The first weekend we have the theory, where we teach you, I will be dealing most importantly with acting, scripting, direction, screenplay. And then we have a team with us. We have David Prem, who will be teaching you the post-production as such, a bit on the cinematography as well. He will be teaching you the basic angles, the basic ways to look at a frame, understand how to bring it out into the cinematic approach. So the way we're going to carry out this is going to nearby spots, especially close to your city, like could be UD, Kodaikanal, Goa if you're in Bangalore, other places like Chennai, even if it's north, different places. The idea is to go out and camp and do the shoot. So we would be camping in places so that we would start off on the Friday itself. So you would have one full afternoon and a night to shoot, which carries on through late hours and also early morning, Saturday, Sunday, and then get back to the city. And then we will go ahead and then do the post-production, and then the movie would be screened so that you understand that you have an entire show reel into your hands of doing various things with respect to filmmaking. And why do we do this? It's to better ourselves. So we would be taking up people who are really interested in this, and then since we have quite a lot of experience into this subject, especially into writing stories and scripting, I've been doing that for quite some time, and also directing a lot of documentaries, films, and short films as such. So also extend this to any class of people, any kind of people, maybe be it corporates, be it be students, anybody, all of you are welcome, right? So that makes it much easier for you to mingle with the crowd, work together. Looking forward to have you as a part of our team to work together with WIFE, which is Wordint Films Experience.